Hello everyone, welcome back to channels. Today we are going to explore n8n, one of the fastest growing automation platform in the AI and Web3 productivity space. This platform is becoming extremely popular among the developers, creators, startups, and even businesses because it allows users to automate workflow visually without needing heavily coding knowledge. In this video, we will look at the n8n is how it works, why people are using it, and what make it different from automation tools. Before we begin, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research before trying any platform. So now let's jump into the video. So guys, basically what is N8? It is a workflow automation platform designed for the technical terms, developers and creators who want to connect app, APIs and API tools services together all in one automated system. The name n8n actually stand for node-mation. The platform uses a visual drag and drop workflow builder where user connect different nodes together to create automations. Think of it like building a digital system where one action automatically trigger another action. For example, when someone fills a form, send data to Google Sheet, notify Discord, generate AI content, send an email, save data in the databases. All of this happen can automatically through workflows. So one major reason behind the popularity of n8n is flexibility. Unlike traditional no-code tools, n8n gives users both a visual automation and custom coding options. So beginner can use drag and drop nodes, while advanced user can add JavaScript or Python code for the deeper customization. That balance between the no-code and full code is what attracts many technical users. Another important factor is self-hosting. User can host n8n on their own service, which gives better control over data and privacy. Now let's talk about the interface. When you open the platform, the dashboard look like a modern, clean, and developer friendly. You may see the workflow editor, node panels, automation, canvas, templates, integration, execution history. The drag and drop system feels very smooth. Users can connect different nodes visually to create automation flows step by step, and even though the platform is powerful, the UI is surprisingly organized. That is the one of the many user preferred over overly complicated enterprise automation tools. So one of the biggest strength of the n8n is the integration. This platform supports hundreds of the integration with the app and services. This include tools to related Google services, Slack, Discord, database, APIs, social media platform, AI platform, cloud tools. Recently, AI workflow have become a huge trend, and n8n is heavily focused on AI automation features. Users are building workflow involving the AI agents, chatbots, content generation, data analysis, automated response, AI powered productivity system. This is one of the reasons why creators and developers are talking about n8n more frequently now. Another interesting part of the platform is community ecosystem. n8n has a very active developer and automation community. Users regularly share workflow templates, automation ideas, integration tutorials, AI systems. For beginners, templates are extremely useful because they reduce the learning curve. Instead of building workflow from zero, user can modify existing template according to their needs. That makes learning much faster. Now let's discuss some real world example of what people build using n8n. Many user automate tasks like social media posting, email system, AI content workflow, CRM management, notifications, data signing, lead management, APIs connection. Some users even create a advanced AI system where the multiple tools communicate together automatically. This is why n8n is becoming very popular among AI automation enthusiasts. The flexibility also allow user to experiment with many creative systems. Another features that attract technical user is that n8n is considered a fair code and source available platform. Many developers prefer tools that give more transparency, customization options. Self-hosting is especially important for businesses that are care about data privacy, internal system, weak security, workflow, and control. Instead of depending completely on third-party servers, users can deploy the platform on their own infrastructure. This gives greater flexibility for scaling project. So now one more important thing. Although n8n is a beginner friendly compared to the coding everything manually, there is still a learning curve. Complete beginners may initially feel confused by API concept, webhooks, nodes, workflow logic, automation structure, but once user can understand the basics, the platform becomes much easier to use and the community is very active. There are many tutorial and shared workflow available online. So guys, overall And it is one of the most interesting automation platform currently growing in the AI ecosystem, and it's a combination of the visual automation, integration, coding flexibility, self-hosting option, community templates make it attractive for developers, creators, startups, and automation enthusiasts. And is AI automation continuous growing platform like n8n will likely become even more important in the future. And again, this video is only for educational purpose. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research before trying any platform. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share more AI and crypto related content. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.